day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue from where we stopped in our last video, where we wanted to talk about the category of your book. I said we are going to be going to a website called bookboat.com. That is where you are going to be getting your category. That is where you are going to be getting your category. As you can see, they said Bookboat, start a free, create a stunning book today. So this place is where you can actually get keywords of where, or this is where you are going to be getting the category where you can actually place your book on Amazon KDP. So you are going to click on start here. So once you click on start here, please kindly take notes. You are going to go to resources here. When you get to resources, you go to what? KDP category finder. So once you go to KDP category finder, then you are going to be putting the title of your book. The title of your book. That's what you are going to be putting. You can just put small out of it to see. So I'm going to be putting keto. I want to see the category where keto book falls under. You can see they said cookbook, food and wine, special diets, ketogenic. So you are going to look for all these medium. If it is on medium and if it is on high, those are the ones that you can use. But if it is on low, don't use that because it's not going to be ranking high. But if it is on medium, it's going to be doing well. So let me say keto diet. So once you click on keto diet, you click on search, you are going to see more, and that is how you are going to check till you will get the one that have high, and then you can use the one that have medium as well. So let me say cookbook. Let me search that. I can see medium. So these are the categories where you can place your book. So I want to look for at least one I that I can add. Let me press cook. Okay, so you can see this one now, calendars and cooking. This one is on high rate. So I'm going to be using this. Simply means that when somebody go to under calendars on their category, they are going to see your book there. When they press cooking, they are going to see your book there. So to be on the safer side, you are going to be choosing the one that has a lot of categories, whereby when somebody search for humor and entertainment, they are going to see your book. When they search for humor, when they search for cooking, they are going to see your book. So you are going to look for the one that has much more one, which like this one now, cookbook, food and wine, beverages and wine. So people can easily search your book. When they are searching for all those categories, they are going to be seeing your book there. So now, how do you get your categories for this particular book? I'm going to be using this one now, cookbook, food and wine, professional, and then professional cooking and professional. So how do you get that on your Amazon? You come here. Once you get there, you click choose category. Then you can see what they said here. They said you are going to be starting from cookbook, food and wine to professional cooking and professional. So I'm going to be choosing here like this. We are going to search for that cookbook. You can see we are going to search for that cookbook here. This is the cookbook. They said we are looking for the second one, which is the professional cooking. As you can see, then you can now put anyone here. So let me just put so let me put quality, and then this. So which simply means that when somebody is searching for cookbook, food and wine, professional cooking, my book is going to be appearing in all those categories. So you can just play around this category and check the one that best suits your own. Check from Bookboat, get the best category for your book, and then you place your book on that there. So let me just click on save. So now that we are done with our category, the next thing we now want to talk about is our keyword, and this is where the work starts. If you miss it out from these 7 backend keyword, your book is not going to be ranking high on Amazon. And no matter how hard you try, you continue to remain the same. So this place, you need to take your time very well because we are going to be installing 2 major add-ons to our Chrome browser for us to be able to achieve what we want to achieve here. So the first add-on we are going to be adding to our Chrome browser is the AMZ suggestion expander. So if you are using your smartphone, this particular place, you have to use a Kiwi browser. You cannot use your Chrome browser to do this. Kiwi browser, if you don't have Kiwi browser, go and download it on Play Store or anywhere. So once you are done downloading it, you go to your open new tab and then just type AMZ suggestion expander, then add it to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome. So let me just say add extension. So the second extension we are going to be adding to our Chrome browser is this one, Productor for Merge. So we have added this add to Chrome. So the importance of this AMZ suggestion expander is that you remember we were on Amazon the other time. When we are searching our book on Amazon the other time, you will notice that these are the little keywords that we are seeing. You can see these are the little keywords. But with the help of this AMZ suggestion expander that we have added to our Chrome browser now, we are going to see lots of things that people are searching, so that we can be able to take from all those things, we can put them in our 7 backend keyword, so that when people search for different things around our book will just be appearing to them every now and then. So let's check now whether this thing has been it has been there. It's not here yet. So once it is ready, once you have installed it on your phone, just hold on for it. It's going to load. Once it is done loading, we are going to see that it's going to be wider and it's going to take up every spaces here. So let me just search for keto. Let's hold on for it. So just hold on for it. While holding on for this one to load up the AMZ suggestion expander, you go to your new tab again, and we are going to be installing the second plugins or the second add-on, which is the Productor for Merge by Amazon. Productor for Merge by Amazon. You are going to be adding this one to Chrome. The reason why we are adding this one to Chrome is that, for example, let me say keto diet cookbook for beginners. I want to show you something. We have not installed this Productor for Merge. We have not added it to Chrome. I want to tell you the importance of it when we add it to Chrome. So the importance of it is that when we add that Productor for Merge to Chrome, it's going to be showing us the keywords that all this particular owner of this book, the keyword that they use for their book that is making them to make these sales. That is what that Productor for Merge is going to be showing us, so that we can pick out of their keywords too. We can also add them here in our own to 7 back-end keywords. You see this particular place, when you can do it very well, you add as much as possible keywords here. It makes your book to rank high. Anywhere they search, your book will be appearing, and there is no way in the world 100 or 500 people will be searching in a day and your book is appearing, and then nobody will buy it. So that is why you need to work more on your graphics, and then you need to work more on your description. They are very, very important. Once you have worked on those two things, this one is minor, because all this Productor for Merge and this AMZ suggestion expander is going to give us every information we need for us to get the right keyword for our book. So let's check whether the AMZ suggestion has been working on our. Let me check whether it is now working now. Let me just search for something. Okay, it's yeah, you can see now. I think it has started. Let me say cookbook. All these spaces must be filled with lots of keywords. So you can see now it has started working now. So like I said, if you are using a phone and it is delaying, it's not showing, just hold on for it. It's going to definitely show. So you can see now I wrote keto diet cookbook. Initially, this was what is supposed to bring to us, but you can see that we have lots of options available for us to use. Now, these are the things that people are searching for on Amazon. People that are buying this particular keto diet cookbook, these are the keywords that they are using to buy it, which simply means that at least part of these keywords, a lot of these keywords must be on our own to backend keyword, so that when they are searching, our book can be appearing to them. So that is one. So let's quickly talk about this one. Productor for Merge, you need to add that one to Chrome. So once you are done adding these two extensions to Chrome, then we are now going to start working on our 7 back-end keyword on Amazon KDP. Take your time to do this very well. It is very, very important, because if you miss out this particular part, it's going to affect your book. And you remember, the more you take time to do this very well, the more you have the opportunities of making money. Like I used to tell you that one of my students that I taught in December 2023, she published her book 2024. Her book is still making sales now in 2025. So if you are publishing your book in 2025 here, I also want to get your testimony before this year runs out. You have to also give me your testimony that you have also started making sales. Please and please, all my students don't depend on one book. At least the least my students have published is over 10 books. Over 10 books. So take your time and continue to publish so that you can see the results. So now that is that about that. We have already installed this particular one here. So once we are done installing this one now, let's check the work on Amazon.com. So let me just click on Keto Diet Cookbook and see the effect of the what we just installed. Okay, it has not also reflected. It's still going to so it has started reflecting now. It has started reflecting. You can see this color, it has started reflecting. So let me check down again now. So you can see their hair. So this particular keyword, Productor for Merge, that we have already installed, this thing will also show us the location of the book and the list of the book, so that we can know how those books are ranking online. So this thing is still loading. Once it is done loading, it will show us every information that we needed on that book. As you can see, it has started showing us. You can see even the category that we need if you don't know the category to put your book. So far, you've already installed those 2 plugins or those 2 add-ons on your Kiwi browser if you are using the phone. If you are using the system, just continue with your Chrome browser. So you can see once you are done installing everything, you can see it will bring you all the information of that book so that you can take your time, copy from the one that you can copy from, add them to your own book, and then you can always make sales on Amazon KDP. You see this thing, if you are getting value from this video, please and please just drop a lovely review in the comment section presently, and also make sure you give this video a like if you are getting value from it. If you are not getting value from it, then leave it alone like that. Thank you so much for watching. So now, this is still loading. As you can see, they said what? Focus keyword. You can see the keyword that the person used in his book. Look at it, all keywords. You can see keto, diet, cookbook, beginners, days, supper, easy, 30 minutes. All these keywords that you are supposed to be thinking about, thinking of how to get them, everything has been done for you. The only thing you need to do is to decide on which one should you pick. And remember, what I tell every of my students is to copy from best-selling books. Copy from best-selling book, because if you copy from best-selling book, there is high tendency that your book is going to get sales. There is 100% an high tendency that your book is going to make a lot of sales. So is this book best-selling? I don't see best-selling on this particular book. So let me get started with the work now. Now that we now already installed these 2 plugins on our book. So the first one here, what are you going to be writing? Let's start from keto. We are going to start from keto here now. So you can see on that particular one, we saw keto diet, we saw a lot of things. So we are going to be looking for keto is one of the keywords that people are searching for. So let me first put keto here. We put keto. I think this particular place can accept up to 25 words. 25, is it 25 words or 25 characters? I guess it's 25 characters on this particular one. So you can actually get a lot of keywords on your book that will rank high on you, that will make your book rank high. So we've gotten keto. So let's even put another one. Let's just put keto diet. Then let's put cook separately. Then let's say book separately. So when somebody search for keto diet cookbook, your book will appear. When they search for keto diet, your book will appear. When they search for cookbook, your book will appear. So that is that about that. Let's go back again to this particular place. Let's check for keto diet and see what some people are searching again. Some people are searching for keto diet cookbook, keto diet pills, keto diet for beginners. For beginners. So let's go back here and add to our this place. We can just put for beginners. That is another one. So you are going to scroll down, keto diet food list. Food list. Food list is another keyword that you can use. We need to add it to our book. Food list. Food list. I hope you are seeing the way I'm doing it. That is how you are going to be getting all the keywords that you are going to be using to make your book rank high. So this is another one, keto diet food list. So let's say keto diet cookbook to see what people are searching. Keto diet cook. So people are searching for keto diet cookbook 2025. So you need to include 2025 in your own keyword. It is something that people are searching for. Okay, I think we have reached the limit of this particular one. So we are going to go here 2025 to put comma. Let's go back here again. Meal plan. Keto diet cookbook meal plan. Meal plan is another keyword that you need to use. Meal plan. I hope you can see the way I'm getting the keywords short by short, little by little. These are the short tail keywords. We have long tail keywords that we are still going to be copying from some other people as we progress. So I like to use all these particular place 1, 2, 3 to use it from all these AMZ suggestion expander. Then the last 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I used to get it from best-selling book on Amazon KDP so that I can have a lot of keywords on my book. So now this is meal plan. Then you move down here again. Let's check for another one. Keto diet cookbook for beginners. Keto diet cookbook for beginners for 2. People are looking for 2. People are looking for 2. So we need to put that 2 there in our book. Recipes. Keto diet cookbook recipes. So you need to put this one to here. Recipes. Then you need to put 2 for 2. So somebody may be looking for 3 too. So let me just put 3. Let me put for 1 as well. So that is how I think out of box to put in things that people may be searching for. So we are done with that. But here you can see keto diet cookbook for weight loss. For weight loss, we can just put that one. Weight loss. Weight loss. So that is that about that. So we have another one, keto diet cookbook for Ever Packer bestseller. Keto diet cookbook bestseller. You can see that now. Keto diet cookbook bestseller. So when somebody are looking for all these things, when somebody just says for keto diet cookbook for best seller. You can see that all those keywords are in your book. When somebody is looking for keto diet cookbook for beginners 2025, your book is there. When somebody look for keto diet cookbook recipes for two, your book is there. When somebody look for keto diet cookbook for food list, your book is there. So that is how your book is going to be appearing on every searches that people are searching for on Amazon. And without this suggestion expander, you are not going to be having the opportunity to get a lot of keywords. And that is the reason why it is very important for you to install this particular thing on your phone or on your system before you get started with your 7 backend keyword, because that is the most important part of that Amazon KDP. So there is another one. Let me put keto diet cook book, whether I can see some other keywords that I've not included. You can see it's bringing more for me every time. They said Mediterranean, I cannot pronounce this one, the Mediterranean keto diet cookbook. So you can easily copy this and also copy it and also include it there. You can copy it and also include it there. So copy it and then let me just go back here and then include it in my 7 backend keywords. So I still have little to go. So let me just search for more. Weight loss, seniors. I'm seeing seniors. Keto diet Google for Sahara. So you can see when you have seniors, you have what? You have junior. So you need to put it here. I already have 4 here, so I don't need to be including 4 again. Let me just put seniors, then let me put junior. So that is how I think when I'm writing my 7 backend keyword for all my books. That is how I do it. Mediterranean. So that is that. So let me think whether there is still something. There is nothing to put here again. So we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4. So how do we get here? I'm going to be using long tail keyword for it. So keto diet cookbook. So you can just put the title of your book, so that you can get directly from people that have written your book. The essential keto diet cookbook. That is the name of my book. Then you search it. People that have written that your book, people that have written majorly on your book, that is what you are going to be using. That their long tail keywords and the keywords that then they use majorly, that is what you are going to also be using. You can see everything is loading. Why is it loading? Normally you are not supposed to be seeing this, but because of the product for merge that we have already included, all this information, if you don't pay to learn Amazon KDP, you may not be exposed to everything. So that is that about that. So this is just the benefit that you are getting for you to have paid for knowledge instead of you thinking you are going to be getting. Nobody can think about it. When you get to Amazon.com, if nobody is putting you through, you are just going to be writing everything by yourself, thinking you are doing the right thing, whereas you are doing the wrong thing, because there are a lot of hidden knowledge on Amazon that you need to pay to learn. And that reminds me, please and please, my own is to give you the knowledge that I know. Like I said now, there are a lot of knowledge that you need to seek online in order for you to excel. So from here on, from everything I'm giving you in this my video, please and please, you can always make more research at your own end for your own self to learn more, so that you can increase your knowledge in publishing on Amazon KDP. It's very, very important to do that, because I am teaching you, I still learn more every now and then. So we are waiting for this one to load. Let me scroll down and check some other book, whether all of them are still loading. So let me just hold on for a little while. Let me just stop the video here and then I continue here in my next video.